If you've tried rest, exercise, stretches, even injections, and your knee still hurts, in this video I'll finally get the answers to explain why you haven't been able to get flexible, comfortable knees, and you don't have to start from scratch. I'm going to tell you what works for you and your body. Hi, I'm Leanne Young, pain physiotherapist. It is really frustrating when you've tried time and time again to get that relief. And I see this all the time with my clients who've tried everything but still find themselves stuck. And the reason isn't you're doing the wrong things. It's often that you're doing it wrong, or you're doing the wrong thing for your unique movement pattern. Some people are shooting at their pain with a shotgun, hoping that something hits the target. But if you want consistent relief, you need to become an expert marksman at getting to the source of that pain. Precise, focused, and consistent. Well, let's break this down. You can apply a quick fix, like a patch, and it might feel better for a bit. But if the underlying issue is still there, the patch will wear out fast, like the leak in a tire in your car and driving with a flat tire. You can pump it up temporarily, but until you can repair the actual puncture, it's going to keep failing you. So to think about a little bit more strategically. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what's right for you to fix it for good. You need to stop firefighting and actually fix their knee pain at the root cause. And to do that, you've got to find what the root cause is. You have to understand the real problem. Is it tight hips? Weak butt muscles or gluteals? Faulty movement habits? We need to know what's really causing the problem with loading your knee. You need to know what actually works for that issue, because you might get the right cause, but if you're treating it the wrong way, it's not going to work. So generic exercises can work for the general times, but when you've had it for a long time, there's probably multiple things you need to get right on target with to get the real long-term fix. And it's small, consistent steps that help to work towards getting a longer-term solution. So do the right thing with precision. When your technique is solid, even simple moves become powerful. So one of the things that can help is actually getting stronger through the core, because that helps keep all things steady. It's not necessarily doing a whole heap of them, but it's doing the right one. And it can make a big difference between hoping and healing. What happens when you get that right? You can trust your body again. So the relief you've been chasing isn't out of reach. It's just been hidden under a pile of one-size-fits-all advice. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start hitting the bullseye, being like a marksman, getting right on target, I've got something that will help. Together a quick assessment and starter plan to help you find out what's actually going on and give you a start to exercises that will help you see what's going on and what to do next. And it'll give you the experience of getting more pain-free with what's currently annoying you. Build on this as you go. Feel free to click in the description below to see what I'm having to offer, or otherwise go to www.younginmotion.com and look up the resources page. Thanks for listening, and look forward to seeing you on my next video, where I'll be talking about things you can do in your morning routine which can make a big difference to getting you mobile and active again.